how is it going so far? We are learning in the process, right? What is it happening regarding the Digital India podcast? So we'll try to find out what is happening and how to structure it. What is happening? What is happening? Something which is not right, or challenges again.
Format. And I think like if I listen to podcasts or FIR or something, the quality is throughout is one.
Okay.
And we need to reach that level.
Okay.
So I feel like every podcast we record, the quality is different. The consistency is not perfect.
Okay.
So I don't know what the issue is. It's either the environment, the mic, or are we making mistakes, like with the gain and with the thing, like the setup.
So what I was thinking was this entire like 5-10 podcasts or maybe 15 podcasts or 20 podcasts is a learning for us.
Yeah.
Right? Anyhow, so we can correct it. If we address it, we can correct it. So quality. Okay, I'm just going to list out everything. Quality. Okay, what else?
Content.
What else? Format. I personally believe the takeaways. Okay.
The title. The subject.
Title and all will come under content.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Mic. The sound.
Yeah.
Or under the quality we'll have sound.
Sound.
Okay. Audio. Okay.
Echo, like usually.
So what are the problems with sound? Echo. What else?
Disturbance.
The disturbance, other people coming in and out.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Outside disturbance, it even catches that.
Yeah.
Okay. Equipment. Alright, what else?
I think that's about it with sound.
Okay.
I think
And the conference
No.
call, right?
See, this one conference call.
conference call was the first time we did it, so
First time.
it will become better for sure.
I think we should come up with a different software other than Audacity. Something that's
Microsoft
much better.
Link is good.
Okay, software is a challenge, okay.
Now we are facing issues with SoundCloud.
So, yes, SoundCloud, anyhow, I bought it, I bought the Space Pro version. That we'll come across for other things too. Blueberry. Okay, then what else? Creatives. In content, like you can say creatives. So, what is the content? What are the things? Creatives.
Okay. Are we
Show notes.
Show notes.
show
yeah.
notes? Yeah, show notes. Yeah.
And then the Mansi's voice. Like
Yes.
the
The
speed.
voice and the speed.
Speed of it.
Okay.
Oh,
What else?
The mobile phone should be at silent.
No,
That's all fine.
content. So are we going to put a different background image to each of the podcasts? Or are we sticking to one?
See, when we download it in iTunes, we won't have the consistency, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
for that we are going to keep it. But when we post it in other places, we can have different. For example, in SoundCloud, we can have different
background. Exactly what.
In the website also, we can have different background.
I was thinking, can we have a different background for different topics?
Yeah.
Like say we divided into 3 topics. Let's have for daily updates one background image. For interviews outside, we can have a different cover image.
Okay.
So people can recognize
Differentiate.
what is the differentiate between the
Categories.
Yeah.
Basically. Categories.
Because-
Each categories can have.
Yeah, because now we have about how many? 14?
13.
13 episodes. Now we don't know which category it belongs to until we choose the category. What if a color or an image could differentiate what it belongs to?
Right. Okay. So how do we differentiate each category?
I think that can be done on website and SoundCloud, but not on
Yeah,
iTunes.
not on iTunes.
iTunes.
So actually, we should come up with something like a short form for the title of it. Like weekly updates is WU, or like debate will be our discussion could be something like Deepu, Kaushal, and Aditya's discussion or something like that.
No, yeah, like say interviews outside could be IT, interesting talks or
Yeah,
interesting people, something like that.
yeah.
Like, come up with
Start with
abbreviation.
DIP IT or,
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
He did the expert talk.
Expert talk,
Yeah.
ET, yeah, expert
Yeah,
talk.
like that.
What else?
Form of content.
So now I think these are all the challenges. Now let us identify how we are doing it. Right now, what we are doing it. So one that is pre-production, correct?
Hmm.
What is it like? How do we come up with a plan and what kind of content that goes this week? Those are all will come on the pre-production.
Yeah.
Let us go one step by step.
So one more thing in the part of the problems, we are not giving. I know we are taking resources, but we are not mentioning as much as possible.
Yes.